welcome. The purpose of this session is to take a look at a few informational commands that are available for the smartQED Slackbot. One of the first commands that we will take a look at is causes or /QED causes. What this does is it just throws us a list of all the causes that are there as part of our fishbowl, as you can see. And at the end of the day, it's also going to throw us different views. So for example, there it shows us a tree, and then it shows us a visual fishbone, and then once again it shows us another view of a tree. So in a nutshell, if you want to take a quick glimpse of, you can expand all of this, and you can even store and save all of these. So what this does is that it shows us what's inside as well. So for example, this is a layered view. So on the front page, you will just see up to the second level. So you will see config issue, memory issue, bug under application, but you won't see all of these. These are all deeper nested causes. They won't show up on the front page. They will all show up as a folder icon. But using this tree view, you can see even deeper. Color codings are available here. So for example, these are colored in orange, which means that they're, the status has been set to maybe at fault or maybe a cause. Whereas the red here, it shows that the status has been set to contributing cause. So there's a problem out there. So this is how we work with causes. Likewise, if you want to know what actions have been taken, that list will also be available to you through that command /QED actions. So we looked at causes, we looked at actions. You might also want to inquire as to the status, and it will show you the status of all the causes and the sub-causes for the entire problem. So as you can see, the star or fire-like icon here, which shows that application issue has been marked as a potential problem or a contributing cause. A question mark against database issue says that the status has been flagged to may be a cause. So that's what the color codings mean. So much for getting a view of the entire map. But what about you want to find out maybe a bit more details about a particular cause? You might be interested in doing that. So the command to do that is /QED details, and you need to select the cause path. So let's say I select application issue bug. Now it's going to throw me all the information or data that is available for that. So what does it tell us? It tells us that there are some cause name is a bug, there's a cause path, application issue bug, status as of now is undetermined, assign users, there's one user assigned, some actions have been taken, so it gives the details of those actions, a clue has been pinned, there are some attachments and there are some notes. So the full details are available here. All right. Now, during the course of this investigation, we might have different stakeholders, including, supervisors or seniors or managers who want to get a quick glimpse of what's happening. So in order to streamline operations so that everybody can work on their jobs, we have provided a command called history, which very simply gives a detail of all that has happened during this investigation, from the start of the investigation up to the current point in time. And that's why the name history. Now, this is still a rather, this is almost like a dump. This is almost like a chronological display of whatever has happened. If we want it to be a bit more structured, then we can use the command called /QED report, which will actually condense all of this information in a nicely formatted PDF, which we can then download. And this will give us a nicely templated, customized report of all that has happened in this investigation so far. So this is how we can make good use of some informational commands that the smartQED Slackbot provides us. Thank you.